couple of hours surfing how it feels. I'm just concerned a bit about when I'm pushing to stand up. Hopefully the shoulders will respond well. Where is it?
Today we're going for a surf. It's gonna be a challenge for me because I haven't surfed for a while since my AC joint surgery, so this is the first time after 7.5 months from my surgery. But I'm gonna take you with me to Currumbin, to the Elephant Rocks lookout. That's an amazing lookout, and I know you're gonna love it, so stay with me until the end, because I want to share also a little challenge that I have for myself that I'm pretty sure you'll be more than happy to stay with me during this challenge. Alright, are you ready? Let's go!
After several days of rain, finally we have a beautiful day here on the Gold Coast, and today is the day that finally I'm getting back to the water and test my shoulder now that it's been over 7 months since my surgery, so I'm pretty happy and excited with it. By the way guys, I'd like to ask you, what do you like to see in this channel? Would you like to see more surfing or more adventures? Where do you want me to go for the next episode? Let me know in the comment section down below. The truth is that I'm so happy and grateful to call Gold Coast home. It's just a dream come true. Definitely it is. One of the cameras that I use for this kind of video is the GoPro Hero 7. It's been working great for particularly for clips underwater or everything that are water sport related. Now let's apply a bit of wax. Always helps for the grip, just to enhance the grip on the board while surfing. And since I've been putting a little bit of weight on since the surgery, I have to start with a 40 liters one, so this board have a better float capabilities and it's gonna be easier for me, particularly after so long. And this leads me to the challenge that I was talking at the beginning of the video. I'm trying to get back in shape, so the challenge for me is to drop at least 10 kilos and I'm gonna document my journey. If you wanna see my process, consider to subscribe to the channel and let me know how much should I drop. Let me tell you a little bit of story about my AC joint surgery. I just launched myself forward and landed on my shoulder, as you can see. And I have a bump in my left shoulder, quite different. At this stage, it's very difficult for me to lift my arm up more than this. Same forward, this is maximum range of motion. It's been quite painful for the last 3 weeks. So, alright guys, I got my operation done. I'm pretty happy with all the protocols here at the Gold Coast private hospital. Because of the medicine and the anesthetics and the procedure. The doctor visited me like 1 hour ago after sleeping all the night in the hospital, and he said that the procedure went all well and he was very happy with the outcome of the operation. Did you think it was a good idea for me to have the operation? but we'll see today if the shoulder works well for surfing. And from now on, I'm gonna start dieting in a caloric deficit and start working out more frequently and trying to increase the weight as much as I can. So let me know in the comment section, do you think I'll be able to drop 10 kilos in the next 4 to 5 months? Well, that's my challenge. So if you want to see the progress of my weight loss journey, consider to subscribe to the channel. I will be leaving a couple of workout tips and diet tips in the next couple of episodes.
Shoulder so far, it feels alright. Yeah, it feels good. Just wanna see after a couple of hours surfing how it feels. I'm just concerned a bit about when I'm pushing to stand up. Hopefully the shoulder will respond well. We'll see. Woo. A big one coming.
Think about me one more time before you go. Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. You already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.
First wave, not bad. Need to work out my shoulder a bit more. Try to get back some of the strength that I lost. Sure.
Kept me away from all of my tears. Now you're gone.
Well, shoulder is alright, but I'm having a ball after so long. Woo!
Sorry guys, I got a little bit emotional. It's been way too long since the last time I could surf. But I'm so grateful that I'm back to normal, kind of. Yeah, I'm just gonna be happy.
How good is the life here on the Gold Coast?
Hey guys, I wanted to thank you very much for the support that you have given us in our shop, TOO EASY. I can't be happier or more grateful for all the support that you guys have given us. Thank you for helping us to look after the environment as well. The link to the shop is in the description in case you want to have a look at it. Well, can't complain. That was a beautiful session, pretty nice. I am definitely getting back into surfing again, so you will see more episodes with surfing sessions as well. I'd like to know, guys, do you like to see more episodes with surfing or more adventure? Let me know in the description section because I really want to make content that is gonna be fun for you guys. Okay, let's change and now let's go to the Elephant Rocks and have a look to the lookout as I promised at the beginning of the episode. It's gonna be good fun. Why wetsuits are always so hard to take off? Part of the business.
ready, baby.
So much traveling. Definitely once everything gets back to normal, I'm gonna travel all over Australia and start making good and fun episodes. Let me know where you want me to go. Do you have any particular spot that you want me to visit? Also overseas, if you want me to go and check it out, any of those amazing places around the world, let me know. We are open to all those possibilities. And here we are. This is the Elephant Rock Lookout. We are just going to go upstairs and have a look. Wow, look at this place. It's awesome, beautiful. How majestic Surfer's Paradise looks from here. Amazing. Oh, come on. More airplanes. I really want to travel. I'd like to know, where will you go once you can travel again? Let me know in the description.
I just found a nice spot that for some reason I never seen before, and I'm just heading there because I want to show you. It looks pretty cool. Look at this. It's like a little swimming pool over there in between the rocks. So I'm definitely going there to check it out. Hopefully once I get there, the two chicks that are there are gone, because I just don't want to, you know, disturb their experience. Let's go there. Through the rocks and find new. Explore this area.
I need to be careful with these rocks because they are pretty sharpy. So yeah, need to be careful if you are barefoot, because yeah, it can be a bit tricky sometimes. Oh my god, look at this, how good! The truth is that life can't get any better here on the Gold Coast. How good is it?
This spot looks so good. I'm coming here with Astrid very soon to have a little bath. Yeah, it looks awesome. I'm so grateful to call Gold Coast home. It's just amazing. I love it. So beautiful. Everywhere where you are here on the Gold Coast,
You can't stop surprising yourself of all this beauty. Well guys, thank you for watching until the end, and remember, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel for the next episode. Give us a like and let us know what you think about this one.